This is Winky Pig. Winky Pig is lovingly made from recycled materials, quality laser cut components and stainless steel hardware. These little stoves are just as happy indoors as outdoors. They make a great camping stove, but they're also perfectly at home inside your tiny house, your house bus or a cabin. They're well made, low cost and safe. You can cook on a blazing stove. Your house will be lovely and warm. And you'll be using free fuel. If you've got friends in the off-grid or tiny house scene, chances are some of them will have a blazing stoves in their home. Ask them how much they love theirs. Then check out tiny house and off-grid resources on YouTube for the full story of how these stoves are made.